Thinking of starting a dropshipping business because it's cheap and easy? Well, brace yourself. Turns out, there's a bit more to it than that. From unexpected fees to those sneaky little expenses, your wallet's in for a workout. But don't worry, we'll break down the real costs without any fluff or hidden charges. Grab a coffee and let's dive into what it actually takes to get your dropshipping dreams off the ground. Miscellaneous expenses. When starting a dropshipping business, there are smaller expenses that, while often overlooked, contribute to a professional online presence and efficient operations. One such cost is for a custom business email, usually around $5 per month through providers like Google Workspace. A custom email address adds professionalism to your communications with both suppliers and customers. Another often underestimated cost is professional photography and videography, which are crucial for high-quality product images and promotional content on social media. Hiring a photographer typically costs between $100 and $500 per session, depending on the quality of services and number of products. Analytics tools, although optional, can be vital for making data-driven decisions as your business grows. Advanced options like Google Analytics Premium or Hotjar, costing around $50 to $200 per month, provide insights into customer behavior, helping you track traffic sources, conversions, and optimize your website. Lastly, business insurance, while optional, is a wise investment for long-term security. Starting at around $50 per month, small business insurance can protect against data breaches, liability issues, and customer disputes. Apps and plugins. To enhance the functionality of your dropshipping store, certain apps and plugins are often necessary. These applications can automate processes and improve customer engagement, making your operations smoother and more efficient. Basic e-commerce apps, such as those for customer reviews, email marketing, and upselling, usually cost between $5 and $50 per month. These tools are essential for engaging with customers and promoting products effectively. Productivity and automation apps, like Oberlo, help you manage your dropshipping operations by automating product imports and start at approximately $5 per month. Advanced analytics tools, such as Hotjar, which costs $39 per month, provide valuable insights through features like heat maps and visitor recordings, showing exactly how users interact with your site. These tools help you make informed adjustments that can increase conversions and improve user experience. Payment processing fees. Handling payments online incurs processing fees, which are a standard part of any e-commerce business. Platforms like PayPal and Stripe typically charge around 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction. This percentage-based fee means that as your sales volume grows, the processing fees will scale with it, making it essential to factor these fees into your pricing strategy. Additionally, there are chargeback fees, which occur when funds are returned to customers in cases of disputes. Chargebacks can cost between $15 to $25 per transaction, and repeated occurrences could impact your business's reputation. Currency conversion fees are another consideration if you plan to sell internationally. These are typically 1% to 3% per transaction, depending on the payment gateway used, and can add up if you have a significant number of overseas customers. Marketing and advertising. Attracting customers to your dropshipping store requires a well-thought-out marketing plan. Social media advertising is one of the most popular options, with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok allowing highly targeted ads. The initial ad budget varies depending on your goals and can range from $100 to $1,000. Influencer marketing is another effective strategy, where you partner with influencers to showcase your products to a larger audience. Costs for influencer partnerships vary widely. Smaller influencers may charge $50 to $500 per post, while those with larger followings could charge thousands. Search engine optimization is essential for long-term visibility on search engines. Hiring an SEO specialist or using premium SEO tools may cost between $100 to $1,000 per month. Lastly, email marketing platforms like MailChimp, starting around $10 per month, allow you to send targeted email campaigns, which can drive repeat business and increase customer loyalty. Product samples. Testing product quality is crucial to building a trustworthy dropshipping business. Ordering samples allows you to evaluate products firsthand, ensuring they meet your standards before promoting them to customers. Product samples typically cost between $8 and $50 per item, depending on the product type and shipping fees. For high-quality product images, having samples on hand also allows for professional photography, which can increase customer trust. Shipping fees for samples are an additional cost, particularly for international products, so it's essential to budget accordingly. Investing in product samples not only helps you verify quality, but also provides you with content for social media and advertising, helping to create a more compelling brand story. Dropshipping supplier fees. Reliable suppliers are the backbone of any dropshipping business. Partnering with reputable suppliers often involves a monthly fee to access their services. For example, platforms like Spocket, which connects you with vetted suppliers, offer plans starting at $24 per month. In addition to monthly fees, some suppliers charge a per-order fee, which typically ranges from $2 to $5. This fee helps cover handling, processing, and packaging, which are essential for ensuring timely delivery. To ensure supplier reliability, some dropshippers invest in supplier directories like SaleWho, which costs around $67 per year and provides access to a list of vetted suppliers. Working with trustworthy suppliers minimizes risks related to product quality and shipping delays, improving the overall customer experience. Website design and development. Having a well-designed website is essential for attracting and retaining customers. Although e-commerce platforms like Shopify offer pre-made templates, many dropshippers choose to invest in custom designs to stand out. Hiring a professional website designer typically costs between $500 and $2,000, depending on the complexity of the design and the designer's expertise. For those who prefer a more affordable option, premium themes usually cost between $50 to $300 and come with customization options that don't require extensive coding knowledge. If your site needs additional features or custom functionalities, such as unique search filters or loyalty programs, hiring a web developer may be necessary. Developer fees generally range from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on the complexity of the work. E-commerce platform subscription. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for managing your online store effectively. Popular options like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce each have different features and pricing. Shopify is a common choice among dropshippers for its ease of use and plans that start at $39 per month. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a free WordPress plugin, but may require additional paid extensions for optimal functionality. BigCommerce starts at $29.95 per month and provides competitive tools and support for e-commerce operations. Additionally, most platforms charge transaction fees, typically ranging from 2.4% to 2.9%, which can impact profitability over time. As your store grows, you may want to consider upgrading to a higher-tier plan with advanced features, such as abandoned cart recovery and detailed analytics. Domain name and hosting. A professional online presence starts with a unique domain name and reliable hosting. A domain name generally costs between $10 and $50 per year, with premium domains costing much more. Hosting costs vary depending on the level of service you need. Shared hosting plans, suitable for beginners, start as low as $2.95 per month, but more robust options like VPS hosting can cost up to $20 per month. Many e-commerce platforms offer their own hosting, but standalone hosting can provide additional flexibility if you need custom configurations. For security, an SSL certificate is essential for protecting customer data and improving SEO rankings. Some hosting providers include SSL certificates in their packages, but standalone SSLs usually cost between $30 and $150 per year. Business registration and licensing fees. The foundational step for starting a dropshipping business is setting up a legal entity, which helps protect your personal assets and makes your business operations official. In the United States, forming an LLC is common for small businesses, with costs ranging from $50 to $500 depending on the state. For instance, California charges a $70 filing fee and an $800 annual tax, while Texas has a $300 filing fee. Some states may also require annual report fees, which typically cost between $20 and $200. Additionally, you may need specific business licenses, like a seller's permit or home occupation permit, depending on your location. These licenses generally range from $50 to $400. Ensuring that your business meets all legal requirements from the start can save you from potential legal issues in the future, laying a solid foundation for growth. And there you have it, the real costs of starting your dropshipping empire in 2025. Ready to dive in and make those dreams a reality? Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more insider tips, and let's conquer the world of e-commerce together.